Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandria Hatfield, and if you're new to my channel, then make sure you like, comment, subscribe on all of my videos, and if you like them, then make sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe, tap the bell, comment hashtag notification squad or hashtag Hatfield fam to become a part of my family, and you will get a shout out in one of my next upcoming videos. So let's get started. So today's video is I'm going to be showing you guys how to make real cloud slime only using just these two following items: any store-bought putty and modeling clay sticks. So this is how mine turned out when I used one. See, it was I got mine from Five Below. It was a white sparkly putty, and I turned it into a pink sparkly putty by adding in two pink modeling clay sticks. So this is how mine turned out, and you can tell it's really cloudy. It's really cloudy slime. It's really cloud slime because look at it. Tell me this is not what cloud slime looks like, or does. It keeps like flying flakes all over me. See, look, there's one that goes again. Anyways, if you want a slime or a putty like this one, like mine, super stretchy, oh. It's not crashed. Daddy. I'm just kidding. He's not my dad. He's my dad, though. So, this was in my slime. Beep. 5 minutes later. Okay. So, I had to do my own because I don't have like a machine to do the stuff for me, you know. So, yeah, if you want a slime like this, do it. Do all the steps that I just told you. If you want a slime or a if you want a slime or a putty like this one, like mine, then make it with the tips or with the recipe make your own today with the recipe that I just gave you guys. It also pokes really good too. See, look. I can do it right here, can't I? Yeah, by the phone stand. I don't know anywhere else. I can't think of anywhere else to go where my parents won't be talking. They're loud and annoying and obnoxious. And there's my dad out there trying to feed the cats and look at the birds while brushing his teeth with some minty toothpaste. So I love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed, and if you liked the video, then make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell and comment hashtag notification squad or hashtag Hatfield fam to become a part of my family. I love you guys so much. Bye. Oh yeah, and today's shout out goes to Ava Cleany. Bye. I love you guys so much. Bye.